show you some crazy shit, not in this rap, but coming up in these next couple days. You're gonna start seeing some fucked up shit. You're gonna see some real shit, but you know what? That's my everyday life shit. None of this is edited. Oh, do you feel this? Yeah, I'm that white kid rolling so black, bitch. Cause I'm like clear in the pitch. Got this shit, man, I ain't ready to spit. I'm always ready, dog. So when you come, I'm chopping like machete, dog. Never run, I show them that I got it all. I'ma go, I'ma make out the call. I'ma tell them that these whack ass bitches will fall. I'ma show them how I stand so tall. Standing at 6 foot, I be like a giant. Come and look at this, never silent. Let my mind speak when it wants to speak up. Never give a fuck. Other cats be hating on me cause I live it up. And I fill up my cup and I hit that pot. Everybody wanna see what I got, and I show them like I'm building up to the top. Watch what I got, cause I never will drop. And I keep on building, man. What you got? Why you trying to shield? I thought you were the powerful. I don't know what you got, man, I'm gonna shower you. I don't know that you cowards be coming up. I don't even know nothing about you, what the fuck? So, why do I stress? Never do I stress. I be living my best in the West, and I'm acing in the test. And I know that this is not something that you wanna fake at. Keep spitting that true rap, and I get the air from my lungs because I just do that. Listen when I stop and listen when I take a breath. Listen how I do this shit. Listen everything that I did. I don't give a shit, yeah, just don't forget. And if you follow along, then you can do it. Don't hide your true self, let yourself out. And while the clock is ticking, while you're just sitting there thinking, while you just sitting there drinking, while you just sitting there puffing, while you just sitting there, don't be nothing. Get up with the bass, be drumming. Yeah, like we all so angry. Step up to the mic, now we got an army. Now the hip-hop game is out to harm me. Now they want my heart, my soul, my body. And I know that I better go roll with the shotty, cause my mind be so correct. They don't like my show, they want to destruct. I feel like they gonna kill me, doc. I don't know why I run around rolling like God. I be calling the shots, wicked as they come, yeah, wicked as it got. I don't give a shit, call it hip-hop. MC written, yeah, it's just never forgot. Tanner is the man, I understand my gray matter. I'm the batter and I hack right through any motherfucking rapper. I ain't no candy ass rapper. Step to me, yeah, snack like after. Hell man, see what the fuck I'm doing when I'm at ya. Yeah, it can happen now or later. I'ma bring this shit dark like Darth Vader. And I might get so off in the distance, cause I feel the resistance to see the light. I'm staying up underground, I'm up all night, ain't living right. I keep getting high, I'm living my life the way I wanna live it. And it's bitchin', and I know when I kick it be pimpin'. Kick it, yeah, I'm so fresh, hit that shit. I'm up in the nest, up in the west, cause that's where I be. Puffin' on my weed, man, call it hickory. And they keep coming, they like what I got, yeah, I ain't frontin'. And I keep going up against these kids. I show them what it is, I show them who's the pimp. Watch this shit, cause I got it all. Stack that shit up, yeah, stack it all. Wanna show you what I got? Check my mind state. Watch how I take you higher than pop, yeah, I can't wait.